Okay, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. We are starting with a new series today by the Youth Wing, where all activities of Youth Wing will be conducted online. I hope that we'll be having a lot more interaction with the community getting reduced. I look forward to this series being a very fruitful one for all, especially the youngsters and the children. Just before we start, I would like you to know that we are having a session just immediately after this, roughly around at 5 o'clock, we start with a session on reimagining the sessions, reimagining the corporates, organizations, and what and how it will be in the coming future. The panel is going to be very power packed, and we hope that you join us with over 1,500 registrations. We expect it to be a very big event. Look forward to all of you joining. Also, we are having another session on Friday, that is the 5th of June, by Shri Haridas Bhatt on wills and succession planning. Request you all to join there again. Exactly what time is it, Hari?
In 5:30.
5:30 p.m. We will be sending out the invitations to everybody. Request all of you to join that event also. Before we start with the actual event, I call upon Haridas Bhatt, our convener, chairman of Youth Wing, to start with the program and say a few words. Hari.
Thank you, Anant. Yeah, this is an initiative by youngsters. So with all the webinars and everything online happening, we don't want to be left behind. So our Youth Wing has started their own programs in the Youth Wing. This is the first event in that direction. So today we'll be taking up the craft and dance. The craft will be taken up by Shalini Udupa. And I can see good number of Youth Wingers already there. And this is not the program only for Youth Wingers. It can be viewed. It can be viewed by everybody, all the members. It's for the general public also. And this program afterwards it will be available in the YouTube. It's for the repeat viewing also. Now, full program details and how contact etc. I give the mic to Sri Lakshmi Udupa. Lakshmi, please take over and carry on from here.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. So we'll first start with Shalini Udupa's art and craft. Am I audible?
Yes.
So we'll start with art and craft for 3 to 3:30, and then we have dance program, a dance session by Aditya Bhatt, that is 3:30 to 4. So I'll give over to the Shalini Udupa for starting with art and craft. So enjoy the session.
Thank you.
Guru.
Hello dears, Namaste. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. This lockdown has given us opportunity to explore our talent, which of course all have. But I am here just to give you more ideas to utilize your valuable time in identifying your talent and creativity. Today, I am going to expand your knowledge about quilling design. As you know, we get quilling kit. We get quilling kit with colorful strips of paper, card paper, and a pin to roll it and give a shape. But in this lockdown, we may not. This may not be available at everyone's house. So no problem. We can do the quilling kit by use of invitation cards. How you have to do from this is you have to cut the strips from these invitation cards. But before that, I have to say to you people, quilling is done mostly on the cards or in the photograph or photo frame, everything. But here today I'm introducing a new thing that I'm doing quilling idols. For doing that quilling idols, the strip should be of 1 centimeter broad because it has to stand on its own. That's why. See, how we have to do is start from this. This is the invitation card. And I am taking the measurement of 1 centimeter. You have to strip it of 1 centimeter. This you have to measure so that your strips won't be unaligned. See, I am marking it. See, through this marking, I am putting straight line. Then I have to cut these strips of 1 centimeter. See, I had drawn this 1 centimeter strips. I have drawn on it. Now I will cut it into the pieces, thus forming it into a parallel strips. Filling is done through this strips of the paper only. You have to roll it and give a design for it. Hope these all are visible in this. See, this idea we are taking because we don't have that filling strips with us. So we are using this invitation card. That is one type of best of the best only. Of course, colorful invitation cards will be more attractive for designs. Hope you got it. How I have cut these strips of 1 centimeter. See, this number of strips can be done according to your designs. See, this way I have made lot of strips with me already. See, I have made a lot of strips like golden strips, blue strips, yellow strips, that all.
I request the cameraman to be a little stable because the sound is going up and down. So keep the phone in one place. Maybe sit beside her.
Okay. Now next to this is we have to first imagine a picture. Of course, what we are going to do, that we have to draw. We have to imagine it. Okay. So to give a 3D effect, I have selected an idol of Vithala. I have drawn like this Vithala. Is this in? Yeah. So now according to this, we have to take how many parts. See, here I'm suggesting here this crown I'll be using golden. Face I will be using violet or blue. Chest also violet or blue. Hand, this I have taken in this form. So that hand also violet color. This will be dhoti, that will be in the yellow color. And this is the lotus form I am given to make it a stand. It is a idol, no? So I will make it stand on this lotus flower. Okay, you got it? Now, after this, we have to start from the crown. Of course, crown should be done with a golden paper. So what I will do is, first, only with one strip we can't. You have to attach the strip with gum like this. Attach the strip. This may take time because it has to stick. So this will involve lot of patience with you. This way I have done a long strip all using this. Now I have to give accordingly, shape accordingly. First this crown. How we are going to do? We have to use it. See, for rolling it, there is an instrument in the quilling this. If the instrument is not there, then no problem. See, now either through refill, pen refill, or with toothpick, you have to just put it like this and keep it on rolling. See, you have to keep it on rolling like this. Make a bundle, this roll pin type of bundle, okay? You are getting? See, I have done a roll pin bundle. Done. Now main thing is, see, this is an exactly compact bundle. But if I have to give a design from that, for example, this crown is little bit D shape. So I have to loosen it little bit. Loosen it little bit. Just let that circular form go back. Okay. See. Okay. Now I will stick here. Stick here. Now for crown, I will give a shape of D shape. See, through my from my hand only, I'm pressing like this. You're getting? See, I have done the D shape. D shape. Yes? Got it? This will be the crown like this. Vitala's crown. Are you getting? Okay. See. Now next comes this crown will be there. Next comes the face. For face also, I'll be using same way in a circular pattern, and give the shape of this U shape. See, like D, long, elongated D. Next comes chest part. Chest part, even I have decided for blue only. So I will take blue strips, add it to the long this. Again, I will roll it. See, roll it. And now I'm using refill. Anyhow, one refill or this. It is just to start the rolling. And since it is an invitation card, it's little bit harder. So you have to press it and do. See. Since we want this to be the chest part, it must be almost this much big. So we will keep on rolling. You have to add and take a long strip off. You have to add it and make a long strip of this blue color strip. Now this strip has done. See, this is in circular form. Now I want this to be in the design of triangular, almost triangular shape for a chest part. Okay. So what I will do is, see, triangular shape. So I'm going to press like this and here like this. You can loosen it in between. See, this I'm going to get it in a triangular part. Are you getting? See, this will be the chest part of Vitala. Are you getting? This is the chest part. Why this thickness is necessary? Because we are going to make it stand. That's why thickness is necessary. Okay. Okay. Now comes hand part. Hand part also same way you have to do with the blue color this. So now same way we have to start with now this hand part, it is elongated. Now in the middle, we don't need to be so particular about this small this. We can start with the elongated circular form. See here, elongated. See this way. You're getting. Since we are giving form to this, so we can change that shape of the. Just this all will give 3D effect to this. See. I have done this. Now to give this hand shape, I will take from this side and put it like this way. This will give you hand part. See, Vitala's hand part. Okay, same way I will be doing here also. Same pattern I will do. Take it and stick it over here. Now to give a smaller this palm way, I will take smaller blue colored one and make it just small three rounds. And give a pinch like this, forming it a triangle. So that when the hand is there, to show that it is a palm, I will do like this. As Vitala is holding in his hand like this way. Got it? Next part will be the dhoti. Dhoti. Of course, dhoti I will be using yellow color strips that I have done. Same way by joining the long strip and giving it a V shape. See, I have done this already because I didn't knew that time will be consuming and it should be stuck also, no? So that's why. See, I have done this way, giving it the shape of this way, so that when it stands, it will be like dhoti. See. Got it. Now all these parts I have made and done this. So now I will accumulate all these things and keep it on top of like this and stick to it. I have already done because I thought it will take time. See. And Vitala's this earlobe is there, no? That fish type earlobe, that is a main indication of Vitala. This. So that also you have to do with the yellow strip. Loosely you have to hold it with the elongated form. Elongated form. Then give a shape like fish fin over here. See, elongated folds on the top. Then give the folds of the fish fins, fish tail, and again you have to take 1 round, 2 round, and stick it. It will give the look of Vitala's ear, that fish earlobe. Okay. Now all these things which I have done and stuck it and kept it, now I have to join it all. See, first will come this crown. So I have already done the crown part. Then I have done this face part. Then earlobe. Then I have stuck this all together alongside. See this hand part and this palm of the hand. This is waist, dhoti, and now legs. Same way you have to. This took a form of vitala. I hope you can see. This took a form of vitala. Yes. Now to make it stand like this, we need a base of that. So for that, I am going to do a lotus type flower at the bottom. So what I have to do, see, this is the format we have to do. This is done by the quilling method, but I will teach you how to do the petals. Okay, in middle one, simple. I have rolled into the tight clasp the ring because this idol is going to stand on this. So this should be very sturdy. Now these flowers petals, how to do? Same way. First we have to take red color and starting with the red color strip, circular pattern. That gives a shading touch for it. In middle red, then outside the pink will give you shading effect of lotus. Then when this strip ends, just loosen it little bit so that we have to give the shape. See, loosen it. How much big we want? This much big. So I have taken, now I have stuck it. Okay. See, now I will give a shape little bit like this by pressing this. It will give you this shape, dewdrop shape. Okay. Now outer side again I will be taking pink color strip. Pink color strip, and I will attach again to this. Do it loosely so that it looks like petals. See the way it has, so one layer of petal, two layer of petal, that way. Loosen it bit. How much elongated the petals you need, you have to take, loosen it, then stick. Okay, again, petal should be getting eardrop, dewdrops this. So I will press here like this, and it will become, see, petal shape. You got it? Same way I had done in the circular pattern. See here. So see, circular pattern. Then this type of, I have done the petals, then I have stuck to this. Okay, this will be the base. Now I have to, since it is a standing idol, I will be now which I have done, which today morning only I have done, so it is not fully dried. See, it will be taking the shape of this. If I stick this here, it will stand like this. And if suppose if it is not balancing properly, then with the help of toothpick, you can stick it like this at the back. This from toothpick, You can stick at the back and here also. Don't be. And of course, Vitala has got the mark of this forehead tilak. So that will be the highlighted one. Got it? If you don't have gum or Fevicol in this lockdown period, the best part way to make it is you have to take little bit of maida and water, mix it, and it becomes like a paste only. Gum only. So you all the things whichever you don't have, if you don't have at home, so you have used invitation cards and gum also. I told that trick, maybe better trick people may be having. So you can use that all and do this all innovative. Okay. Since I got less time, I would have made a lot of idol and shown to you in other Mickey Mouse and other things. Even I had done Ganpati that I will ask GP to show that now I don't have. So I want a GP to show that pic to everyone. So I hope this is the first way of online thing. So it has not gone bad. Okay. See, this is the quilling idol. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. And also BSKV for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Any doubt, you can ask questions. That they will say, no? Srilakshmi?
If anybody wants to ask any doubt, they can raise their hand. And GP Guru Prasad will unmute you. So you can ask any doubts to Shalini aunty then. Or you can also comment in the chat section if you want to write anything or any suggestions, anything.
Okay, then.
I think there is no doubt.
Video shows very clear, no? So no need to ask a question. Her presentation is excellent. Thank you, Shalini. Very good presentation.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This was the first time I didn't know whether it will come out correct or not. Has it come out correctly?
Yeah.
It is very.
Yes.
Because till now.
No, you're very clear. It was very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you,
Welcome.
Shalini. Thank you, Shalini aunty, for giving us this good session on such a short notice. We will look forward to it, and we have streamed also in YouTube. So I have told everyone if there is any doubt, they can contact you.
Ma'am.
Yeah, I think
Yes,
that's one.
Shravani wants to talk.
Yeah.
Can we have more sessions?
Now I want you people to try out and post it in this WhatsApp. I want everyone to do this all thing and post it in the WhatsApp.
And Shravani, more sessions have to be done by Sri Lakshmi Akka. You tell her.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, Dodama.
Yeah, Shrani, I'll sure take a note of this, and I'll conduct more sessions on this. So we will be also.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Yeah. So now we have next session, that is Aditya Bhatt's dance session. And at the end of this session also, we will be sending feedback forms. So you can put out any your suggestions, any comments, whatever it is, your duration, or if you want to have it on weekdays. So first we'll start with Aditya. I welcome Aditya Bhatt.
Hello.
Hi. So he'll be giving a dance interactive session. So I'll to him. Aditya, you can take on from here.
Sure, sure. सबसे पहले बात ये है कि सब लोग अपना अपना वीडियो जो है वो शुरू कर दो. Just unmute your video so that I can see you guys. Start your video so that I can see you guys. What are you performing and all?
मैं घर, अरे संडे रे बाबा, मेस है घर.
Nice, nice.
नेट बहुत स्लो हो जाएगा, सबका वीडियो चालू होएगा तो.
No problem, चलेगा, वो
Yeah.
देख लेंगे.
And Aditya, I think if you turn your phone, we'll get a wider angle.
Yeah, just a minute.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah, it's clear.
Done. Ready.
Okay, so let's start with the session.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, the song is Illegal Weapon, जो ABCD 3 में से है, बहुत फेमस है, तो मैंने वही गाना लिया है. So let's start with the session.
All the rest.
जो कर रहे हो सब लोग खड़े हो जाना. जो कर रहे सब लोग खड़े हो जाना. मेरा पूरा एकदम इंटरैक्टिव रहेगा, तो पूरा मतलब वर्कआउट करा के रखूंगा, सब लोग को पसीना आएगा. So the first step is take your right hand and keep in front of you. Just like जो हम लोग pledge करते हैं ना, वो वाला step है. Like keep your right hand and keep in front of you and move your body to right. 1 and left. 2 and again right and again left. तो ये first step है. And ये first step को हम लोग 4 बार करेंगे. This step will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? समझा? रेस्पॉन्स बोलना, क्योंकि मैं बहुत पीछे रहूंगा तो मेरे को सुनाई नहीं देगा, तो हाँ या ना कुछ बोल देना. Okay? So the first step is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So this is the first step. तो ये गाने पे ऐसा दिखेगा. मैं गाना प्ले कर देता हूँ. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. समझा? Okay. Fine. तो वापस करते हैं.
Yeah, do it one more time.
Yeah. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो ये जो स्टेप है 2 बार करना है. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 का 2 सीक्वेंस है. ओके? मैं वापस करता हूँ. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done?
Yes.
So the next step is ये खत्म होने के बाद ये जब खत्म होता है ये step, take your right hand and punch. लाइक पीछे की तरफ पंच करना है, जैसे एकदम साउथ इंडियन फिल्म में होता है ना, जैसे पीछे की तरफ काट करके पंच करते, तो वही पंच करना है, बट एकदम स्लो. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4, 5 6 7 and 8. क्या हुआ? ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. तो समझा ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 and 8. ओके, गाने के साथ करते हैं. Five, 6, 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Got it? समझा? ओके, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 के बाद जो सेकंड स्टेप खत्म होता है, देन भी करेक्ट जो लिरिक्स शुरू होता है ना, वो स्टार्ट होता है. तो लिरिक्स में जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है, दैट इज दिस 1 2 3 4. ओके, लाइक ग्रैब एंड पुल, ग्रैब एंड पुल. सो पहले राइट से हम लोग शुरू करते हैं. राइट लेग एंड राइट हैंड दोनों राइट की तरफ जाएगा, एंड ग्रैब एंड पुल. ओके, अब लेफ्ट हैंड एंड लेफ्ट लेग दोनों लेफ्ट की तरफ जाएगा, एंड पुल. ओके, 1 2 3 4. ओके, सो अगर गाने के साथ देखेंगे तो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. Got it? Yeah, perfect. तो ये भी 4 बार करना है. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. देन इसके बाद जो है, 1 मिनट गाना प्ले कर लेता हूँ. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. उसके बाद लिरिक्स में खिंची खिंची के दी, नशाने सीधे मार दी. डोंट कोट मी ऑन द लिरिक्स, मैं बहुत गलत गाता हूँ, बट स्टिल समझ लेना आगे. तो खिंची खिंची के नशाने सीधे मार दी. ओके, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Like wave, wave. Yeah, wave, wave. So खिंच खिंच के नशाने सीधे मार दी. Okay, let's do it. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I'm so sorry, मैं गलत कर दिया. Sorry, sorry. समझा? तो समझा 1 2 3 4 खींच खींच के निशाने सीधे मार दी। तो ये जब कर रहे ये वाला जो स्टेप है तो पैर को उठाना एंड वेव है 1 2 या 1 2 तो हाथ जो है ऊपर से लेके नीचे आएगा एंड वेव साथ में दे 1 ओके तो 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 ओके आगे बढ़े आगे वापस म्यूजिक आता है तो एक बार इधर तक वापस कर लेते हैं 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 done सो इधर तक हुआ अभी आगे म्यूजिक आता है टन टननननन 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 तो ये म्यूजिक में हाथ दोनों चेस्ट के पास रहेगा लाइक दिस दोनों मतलब दोनों हाथ आपस में लड़ रहे हैं तो ये जो है ना ऐसे तो ये रखना है चेस्ट के पास एंड 1 2 ओके मेरा पैर एक मिनट दिखा देता हूँ कैसा चल रहा है तो this is the moment 1 2 3 4 ओके तो ये मूवमेंट है तो हाथ इधर रखा पैर राइट लेग ऊपर उठेगा एंड बॉडी नीचे जाएगा तो दिस विल बी द मूवमेंट 1 2 3 4 ओके अगर एकदम सिंपल से बताऊं तो हम लोग ने साइकिल में हवा भरते हैं ना तो हवा भरने के टाइम कैसे होता है 1 2 3 मतलब हवा भरते तो ऐसे ही करते हैं ना तो वही सेम मूवमेंट है 1 2 3 4 ओके तो कहाँ खत्म हुआ था खिंच खिंच के निशाने सीधे मार दी ना उसके बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 टाइम्स करना है ओके स्टार्टिंग से करें गाने पे स्टार्टिंग से करते हैं 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 जस्ट अ मिनट मेरा ऑडियो में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है जस्ट अ मिनट ओके डन तो हमने कहाँ तक किया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ओके ना वापस से अखियों में सॉरी गाने का स्टार्टिंग से एक बार वापस करते हैं हम लोग 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 डन तो अभी इसके बाद वापस से वो वापस से जो लिरिक्स आते हैं तो इट बी लाइक दिस 1 2 3 4 ओके ये जो मूवमेंट है ये 1 2 3 4. ये हाथ का मूवमेंट है एंड पैर का मूवमेंट ये रहेगा 1 2 3 4. समझो ये मेरा पैर है, ये मेरा टोस पे 1 2 3 4 लाइक दिस 1 2 3 4 एंड बॉडी नीचे 1. हिप हॉप में एक मेन रूल है, वो ये है कि आप लोग का जो बॉडी रहेगा वो हमेशा 1 2 3 4. इट्स कॉल्ड जैक, इसको जैक बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये मूवमेंट हमेशा रहना चाहिए बॉडी पे 1 2 3 4. तो हम लोग कोई भी मूवमेंट करेंगे ना वो अच्छा दिखेगा. सो लाइक 1 2 3 4. ओके, समझा? एक बार वापस स्टार्टिंग से करते हैं. Five, 6, 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. Done? इधर तक समझा? तो 1 2 3 4. ओके, इसके बाद ओके, तो इसके बाद जो है खींची खींची के निशानी सीधे मार दी. तो वापस राइट हैंड जो रहेगा वो आपके लेफ्ट फुट पे टैप करना है 1 2. ठीक है, तो कैसा रहेगा? और थोड़ा पीछे जाता हूं. हाँ, तो राइट हैंड एंड लेफ्ट फुट, तो 2 टाइम्स टैप 1 2 3 4. खींच के निशाने सीधे मार दी. ठीक है, गाने पे एक बार करते हैं तो समझेगा. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4. समझा? इधर तक समझा? टैप टैप 1 2. लाइक ये जो राइट हैंड है वो लेफ्ट में टैप टैप, तो बॉडी भी नीचे जाएगा 1 2. वो नहीं, बॉडी भी नीचे जाएगा, बॉडी भी बेंड होएगा 1 2 एंड 3 4. फिर वापस से वेव 5 6 ऐसे. तो 1 2 3 4. या परफेक्ट. समझा? स्टार्टिंग से एक बार करते हैं वापस. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. ओके, तो 1 2 3 4 ये कर लिया. इसके बाद तेरा लेवल है नहीं मेरे यार, सुनो. नहीं, एक मिनट. खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया, उसमें कैसा है जो राइट 3 4 ओके हाँ, तो लेफ्ट लेग जो है समझो कि आगे फुटबॉल है, उसको किक करके लेफ्ट में जंप करना है। ओके, तो अगर स्टेप देखोगे तो कुछ ऐसा रहेगा, किक एंड जंप, परफेक्ट। तो जब किक, ये पैर का मूवमेंट है, ये किक एंड जंप पैर का हो गया। अभी साथ में हाथ भी आएगा, 1 एंड 2, वापस से चेस्ट के इधर, ठीक है। तो ये मूवमेंट है 1 एंड 2, 3 एंड 4। तो किक एंड जंप, उसके बाद हाथ इधर जो है 1 2, हाथ को आगे लाना है 2, हाँ 1 2, प्योर हिप हॉप है ये। तो कैसा गया, तो 1 एंड 2, 3 एंड 4, 5 एंड 6, 7 एंड 8। करके देखते हैं एक बार सॉन्ग पे। Five, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया, खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोनिया। उसके बाद तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा, ठीक है। तो उसमें क्या करना है, नॉर्मल स्टाइलिश वॉक, मतलब एकदम स्वैग में, तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा, एकदम स्वैग में। हाँ, तो तेरे लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा। ओके, तो 2 मूवमेंट, 1 2 3 4। ओके, तो ये मूवमेंट आएगा। तो कैसा हुआ, तेरे लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा। ओके, अभी करते हैं स्टार्टिंग से। Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go. 1 2 3 4. तो हम लोगों ने इधर तक किया, वॉक वॉक पॉज, ठीक है। अब मुंडियानो जो बोलता है, उसके बाद 2 बीट आता है। आप चाहिए तो वो मुंडियानो जो उसमें है ना, उसमें थोड़ा पीछे जा सकते हो, लाइक स्वैग में, लाइक जैसे सामने आए थे ना, जैसे ये करते हुए सामने आए थे एंड ये किया, फिर ये जो मोमेंट है, ये जो मोमेंट है उसमें ही पीछे भी जा सकते हो। तो मुंडे यानी जो बोलते हैं ना, एक बार देख लो कैसा है। समझा, ठीक है। तो जो हम लोगों ने 1 2 ये किया, उसके बाद 2 स्टेप पीछे, 1 2, लाइक वही स्वैग में 1 2, एंड फिर टक टक हुक स्टेप, जो गाने का हुक स्टेप है दैट वन। तो जो 2 बीट आते हैं उधर 1 2 2 टाइम्स आता है 1 2 टक 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 टक। वापस करें स्टार्टिंग से एक बार, सिर्फ एक बार हैंड्स ऐसे रेज कर दो, थम्स अप दे दो। ओके Six, seven, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो ये हम लोगों ने किया 1 2 1 2 3 4, ये 4 टाइम्स है 1 2 3 4। तो ये हाथ जो है वो पिस्टल के जैसे गन के जैसे रखना है एंड नीचे जाएगा, डुबकी मारना है, डाउन डाउन। तो एंड डाउन करने के टाइम जो हम लोग का बॉडी है वो वेव करेगा 2 3 4। तो ये 1 2 3 4 एंड पीछे की तरफ जाना है। समझा? अगर समझा तो एक बार ये कर दो। तो करते हैं हम लोग। तो 2 टाइम्स स्टेप 1 2 3 4। उसके बाद रुक जाता है, इधर आके रुक जाता है एंड लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर रहता है। तो अभी ये क्या करना है, हैंड्स को ना ये जो पूरा ओपन रहता है ना उसको जैज हैंड्स बोलते हैं। दीज आर कॉल्ड जैज हैंड्स। ओके, तो जैज हैंड्स ओपन करना है 1 1 2 3 4। ये शोल्डर मूवमेंट है, मतलब जब ये खत्म हुआ इसके बाद जैज हैंड्स नीचे की तरफ ओपन रहेगा, मतलब ऐसे लाइक दिस। तो इसमें अभी हम लोग का जो शोल्डर है वो वर्क करेगा 1 2 3 4। नीचे की तरफ, नीचे ऊपर में नीचे 1 2 3 4। ओके, सो दिस स्टेप विल बी लाइक दिस 1 2 3 4। ठीक है, 5 एंड देन अगेन सेम स्टेप, टक 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 टक। एक बार गाने पे कर ले हम लोग। One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. समझा? आया सबको? कुछ डाउट है किसी को? किधर? गुरुप्रसाद, सबको अनम्यूट करना। हेलो, किसी को डाउट है?
They can unmute themselves.
Is anybody having any kind of doubts? कोई स्टेप में
नहीं है.
No.
नहीं है. काफी फास्ट लर्नर हो.
नहीं, इसका एक तुम्हारा वीडियो बना के शेयर करो ना.
चलेगा, ठीक है. Done,
No.
done.
फुल विद सॉन्ग.
Uncle,
Okay.
this is live on YouTube, so YouTube में मिल जाएगा.
Okay,
No,
repeat.
no, what
Okay,
he can
repeat.
do-
Okay, right.
What
Done,
he
done.
can do, yeah, he can do that. But in YouTube, it is like he's showing now
Nahi.
how to do that step.
No, that
Aditya,
is
what
steps
you
is
can
fine.
do, you can
नहीं,
correct,
steps
correct.
is
But then too, you can just show. हाँ,
नहीं, entire song एक से बनेगा तो it will be better. I think.
correct, correct, correct,
हाँ,
correct.
हाँ,
That's what
चलेगा.
I'm saying. The
मतलब
entire
जहां तक मैंने सिखाया उधर तक वीडियो विल बी परफेक्ट, राइट? क्योंकि मैंने इतना ही सेट करके मैं इतना ही
Yeah.
एक्चुअली इतना ही
Yeah.
मैंने कोरियोग्राफ करके रखा था.
हाँ.
So it'll be fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, yeah, correct. That's fine. You see,
So did you guys enjoy the session? Like जो सिखाया, I mean, हाँ बहुत फास्ट गया मानता हूँ, but जितना सिखाया उतना आया सबको.
हाँ.
Wow, very good, great.
बहुत अच्छा था सेशन.
Thank you so much.
if anybody wants to say anything, they can unmute themselves and you know, they
Yeah,
can give their
the
suggestions of feedback.
feedbacks around. Like आपको कुछ भी पूछना रहेगा, कुछ भी जानना है.
Next session कभी है पूछो.
सेशन कभी है?
नेक्स्ट सेशन कभी है? आपको कभी चाहिए?
Prompting
next
not
session?
allowed. Prompting not allowed.
If you want, you can also you know, suggest him if you want any other form of dance.
Yeah.
I mean, you can also put it in the feedback session, that form we have sent you. So then we can anything other than dance, anything if you want. So then we will present you that what you want to see.
अच्छा, आपको हिप हॉप ज्यादा अच्छा, जो भी सुन रहा है, जिसको भी आ रहा है मेरा आवाज, हिप हॉप ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है कि बॉलीवुड, लाइक ठुमका मुमका सब, कौन सा ज्यादा पसंद है?
बॉलीवुड.
बॉलीवुड. तो ठीक है, अगला हम लोग बॉलीवुड ट्राई कर लेंगे.
ओके.
ओके.
Yeah, we can. Sure. So Aditya, thank you very much
Yes.
for on such
Thank
a
you
short
so
notice.
much.
For yeah, we are very
Anytime,
glad.
anytime.
And of course, based on the feedback, we can keep other sessions. As Shravani also said, they want to try out some other tumka jumkas. So
Okay.
and that is also my favorite also. So we can do it.
Sure, anytime.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody for joining us. So this is the end of the session. We have I'll again send you the feedback session to all the groups, the forms and everything. We will also we have sent the YouTube link, and as we have requested Aditya, he will send one video where he has done the choreograph for the entire song. And
Better than that.
and the next session, we will surely let you know when the next session is. So keep waiting, and thank you for joining in, and thank you for supporting us. Thank you very much.
Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll be having all our sessions live on the YouTube channel as we go. So please do subscribe to the YouTube channel also. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.